Hey guys, today we're gonna see how many fidgets I got. Let's go. And remember to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you don't know, this is all my fidgets, so I have so much, not that much, if you easily collecting them. So I got one unicorn puppet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, another unicorn one, 7, 8, Papa Ball, 9, 10, 11, Singy, 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, flipper thingy, 16, 16, I'm pretty sure, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and that's all my fidgets. I got 23, and that's a lot, right? But I'm gonna put them now, so let's put them, guys. This pop tube's kind of loud. You could bug people. And it also is perfect for Halloween, though. You can have, if you're a witch, you can have longer fingers and you can adjust it. It could be, the smallest it could go. Or it could be this much, this much. But it could get buggy if people are getting mad at you. Like, if you keep on doing this, you know, kind of gets annoying. I can't turn this off. And also, don't get annoyed by these. It's kind of buggy. I mean, really. And then I love this one because if you like doing something, you would just be like, and everybody's not going to steal at you. Like if you're somewhere, everybody's not going to steal at you like a pop tube. You just have to be like, okay. Then poppets are really good. They're kind of noisy. And if you have this one, oh, that one's not the good side. If you have that one, it could be kind of annoying, but not as annoying as the pop tube. It would be good, right? Yeah. That one's pretty good. But anything. This one is good too. Has a good poke. This one, yeah. Squishy, definitely. But I don't really play with squishies, so. Get this poppet. This is literally my best poppet. My front try poppet. And this one. And they're both foods. These are like my only food poppets. And I really want more food poppets, more food fidgets. And I'm trying to collect fidgets. Nobody wants to give me any. I'm just joking. I don't have enough money. I don't know how much money I got. But I'm trying to collect fidgets. And I really want like food poppets. Like I got french fries. That one. This one I got a couple of days ago. This one I got a year ago maybe. Ow. I got this little thing. It could be quiet. Yeah, it's not as annoying as I popped in. This is really quiet, but if you fling it, you could hit someone if someone's in your way. Or if you accidentally let go, it's gonna fling to your next person. And I really don't want it, guys. Found it. Oh no, it's pretty good. Guess this pop it's pretty good. Yeah, it's not that loud. Then this pop it's really small, so it can't get in people's way. But if it's like those ginormous poppets, don't bring that to anything, because people are gonna get in your way. That's really quiet. When you pop them, they're kind of quiet. Then when you, it's kind of loud. But you know, these. Let's see what happens if you do both of them at the same time. Oh, this one don't pop. Oh. If you can see, look, it's normal size. Compared to this one. Yeah, I know. It's a normal size, right? Compared to this one. Guys, help. These are really quiet though. I just think that if you want to switch it, if you guys put a hole in it, cut it out. I know you should do it that way, but if you cut it out, if you forget, the marble flings in the eye. That would suck though. Then you have a marble mask. But what if they don't have any more? Oh, that would suck. This sling is really quiet. But if you stretch it like the monkey noodle, it's you're gonna if you have long arms, I don't, but I don't know if I do, but if you have super long arms, you're gonna hit the next person by me. Let's say someone's sitting right by me. It's gonna land on you, or you can person sitting by. That one's pretty good though. I love this. Look, you're supposed to put your pinky in it and spin it, but I think it's cool if you just pop them. I think that's really cool. Then I got this small little pop it. It has little eyes. It's really hard to pop, but I love it. I think it's really cute. It's really loud. I'm not really loud. Oh guys, I forgot. I got pea poppers too. Just these. So I got this. And I got all three of them. I love these. I don't really like them, but then I got my pea poppers in here. Then I got this bike chain. I love it. It's one of my favorite fidgets. Then I think that's all my fidgets. Okay, no. This one could be good because if you don't have to it's not stretchy, you won't get hit by it. And the thing is, it could match your outfit, But if you have big arms, if you're older, then it wouldn't fit you, and you would just be like, I'm gonna play with it. And then what if the zipper flings off and hits someone? You never know. And I forgot this monkey noodle. Definitely no. It could be good if it's not a place with tons of people, but and if you're a person like me, stuff it. Ow! If you're a person like me and you like to fling it, you can hit the person next to you. I already know that. So don't do what I do. Oh, I don't want to fling my face off. Well, bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.